In the heart of South Asia, a breathtaking realm of enchanting beauty and vibrant heritage unfurls. India. A country where the merge of ancient and modern is seamless, where traditions intermingle with contemporary vibes. It's a place where tranquility meets vitality, where the serenity of landscapes is juxtaposed with the hustle of cities. Nature's splendor takes center stage here, creating a captivating spectacle for the senses. Every nook of this nation holds a unique story, waiting to be unraveled, making it a treasure house of experiences. The grandeur of ancient architecture blends seamlessly with the dynamism of bustling cities, creating a unique visual treat. With celebrations that are a burst of colors, it's a place where every festival witnesses the fusion of diversity and unity, creating a vibrant tapestry of life. India is a place laden with stories, each more compelling than the painted across its every landscape. A land where every celebration is an explosion of hues, filled with an infectious spirit of joy, showcasing the diversity and unity in equal measure. A place where every festival is a riot of color. And begin your journey in the southern state of Kerala, known as God's own country. This green paradise offers an enchanting experience with inviting backwaters. Picture yourself gently gliding on a traditional houseboat, an emblem of the area's rich cultural past. As you progress, you'll witness the vibrant local life. Fishermen at work, playing in water, women in customary wear going about their everyday tasks. The mesmerizing natural scenery is simply spellbinding, with verdant landscapes extending into the horizon. Cap off your adventure in the southern state of Kerala, fondly known as God's own country. Next, let's head to the beach paradise of Goa. Nestled on India's west coast, Goa boasts of some of the most breathtaking beaches globally. Each offers serenity with turquoise waters softly caressing the golden sands. Adventure seekers can try thrilling water sports, while culture buffs can delve into the rich Indo-Portuguese architecture and savor the delicious cuisine. Goa's vibrant nightlife is a lure for partygoers, where life's merriment occurs under the twinkling stars. The state is a delightful mix of experiences that blend seamlessly with the rhythm of the waves. Goa is much more than a tourist destination. It's an emotion, a symphony of unforgettable moments. So, put on your flip-flops and soak in the sun, sand, and venture north, and the mighty Himalayas await. A departure from the noise of urban life, the Himalayas sparkle with their lofty snow-capped peaks, forming an image of calm and peace. Mostly in the untouched Himachal Pradesh, an area acclaimed for its raw allure and distinct culture. Dotted with monasteries and shrines, the region is a blend of tradition and spirituality. The peaceful valleys of Uttarakhand offer a striking contrast. Veiled in luxuriant greenery, these valleys prompt you to witness the surreal show of nature. However, the Himalayas provide more than just extraordinary landscapes. They offer a getaway, an adventure, and primarily, a spiritual expedition that leaves one feeling humbled and tranquil. Moving on from the tranquil serenity of the Himalayas, we arrive at Varanasi, the spiritual heart of India. A city steeped in ancient spirituality, it thrums with vibrant life and fervent devotion. Here, the Ganga Aarti casts a divine radiance over the sacred river, creating an ethereal aura. Woven into the city's tapestry are winding lanes, ancient temples, and a sensory burst of incense and temple bells. As you meander through, you're swept into its heady mix of devotion, history, and spirituality. The city transcends its urban confines, providing a spiritual journey that inspires enlightenment, ushering us into the regal splendor of Rajasthan. Varanasi transcends cityhood, offering a spiritual odyssey that inspires enlightenment, a transformative experience that prepares us for the royal grandeur of Rajasthan. Next, step into the royal state of Rajasthan. This land brims with echoes of a splendid past, resonating through towering forts that withstand the test of time. Rajasthan, a vibrant canvas filled with the colors of its rich culture, is a feast for senses. It's a blend of traditions, arts, and music that forms an enthralling spectacle. The renowned culinary delights of Rajasthan, with each dish being a burst of flavors and spices, narrate the historical tales. The Udaipur palaces exude romance, while the golden sands of Jaisalmer recount stories of these are but mere chapters of the grand narrative that is Rajasthan. a tale of royal lineage weaving together threads of heritage and history, each unraveling a unique story of its own. Rajasthan is a charming tale of royalty and heritage waiting to be explored. Next, we visit the city of joy, Kolkata. As we wander, the city's history is mirrored in the colonial architecture. Each corner unveils pieces of its unique heritage. The air is thick with the enticing aroma of native Bengali desserts, an irresistible delicacy. Further along, the grandiose Howrah Bridge awaits. It stands over the placid Hooghly River, symbolizing Kolkata's resilience and progress. Amidst the city's hustle, the bridge remains a steadfast emblem of the city's unique mix of old and new. This blend, the unison of antiquity with the modern, defines Kolkata's essence, making it a city that truly rejoices in its unique spirit. Travel back in time to the ancient ruins of Hampi. This stunning location resides in India's southern region. More than a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it's a journey through history's pages. Hampi, steeped in historical significance, stands as a monument to an age of splendor long past. Its haunting ruins echo the grandeur of a once dominant empire. The unique fusion of Hindu and Muslim architectural styles showcases finesse and detailed craftsmanship. Each stone whispers a tale, each edifice a standalone epic, whisking the spectator back to the past. Navigate the antique bazaars, majestic palaces, and age-old temples. Surrender to the ethereal allure of this site. This awe-inspiring architecture is a sight to behold, a silent storyteller of the times that once were. From the ancient ruins of Hampi, we now journey to the city of dreams, Mumbai. Situated along the Arabian Sea, this bustling metropolis is renowned for its ceaseless energy. As we navigate through its streets, the gateway of India looms large, serving as a striking symbol of Mumbai's colonial history. The city streets, filled with people and bathed in the glow of neon lights, capture the essence of a city that's perpetually on the move. Individuals from diverse backgrounds, each with a unique dream, contribute to the city's unyielding vitality. Mumbai's architecture is a testament to its dual nature, with historical landmarks standing alongside towering skyscrapers. Amidst the frenzied pace of city life, Mumbai retains its old-world allure, while the lively nightlife scene exemplifies the city's indomitable spirit. In this metropolis, life moves at an extraordinary speed, yet it never loses its intrinsic charm. With its harmonious blend of antiquated charm and contemporary dynamism, Mumbai truly symbolizes the city where dreams come to life. Experience the vibrant festivals of India, each one a unique celebration of life, love, and unity. Witness the vibrant Holi with its colorful chaos. Share in the spiritual fervor of Diwali. Each festival contributes to India's rich cultural tapestry. Next, we visit the heart of India, Delhi. Explore the iconic India Gate, a tribute to valiant heroes. Meander through Old Delhi's lanes, immersing yourself in its vibrant history and culture. Let the city's gastronomic delights, from delectable street food to high-end dining, tantalize your taste buds. Delhi's allure comes from its fusion of traditional charm and contemporary energy, which will leave you spellbound. Finally, stand in awe of one of the world's greatest architectural marvels, the Taj Mahal. This stunning monument, an epitome of eternal love and exquisite craftsmanship, encapsulates the pinnacle of Mughal architecture. Its grandeur is truly mesmerizing, a testament to love. The Taj Mahal's majestic beauty is a sight that stays etched in memory forever. Whether it's history, nature, adventure, or culture, India offers something for everyone. Dive into an enchanting amalgamation of diverse experiences that will indulge your senses. Explore the majestic landscapes, the rich cultural heritages, and the thrilling adventures. India awaits your discovery. Absorb the magic of this awe-inspiring country. Adventure calls, answer it. Remember, the world is full of beauty waiting to be explored. Don't forget to share the love for travel. Keep dreaming, keep wandering,